Hey y'all, welcome to Freedom Makers. I'm Amanda, and today I am doing a lot of outdoorsy stuff. It's still pretty warm here. Crazy, I know, but it is. And so I'm just out here in like a light jacket. Like this is not even, like it's probably 68 or so. And I'm about to burn up because I've been walking around and doing stuff. Anyway, my chickens are out here behind me. They're pretty happy. There they are. And I've been working on going through my freezer. So going through my freezer is always a big chore, but I'm always excited that I do it because it helps me to know what to buy in the future. So today I pulled out a lot of stuff from my freezer that was getting kind of old, and so we're going to be cooking out of the freezer for the next couple days. I have some corn going on the grill right now. We're going to cook that and have it as a side. I pulled out some chicken thighs, so we're having that. I'll show you guys dinner once it's ready later. But I'm going to start trying to use things out of the freezer because before winter actually hits, it's still autumn here. I want to make sure that we are stocked up and prepared, and we're never as prepared as I think we are. So I'm not naturally an optimist. I have to make myself be positive. I have to think about things positively on purpose. I don't just naturally have that ability. And so it's kind of funny because with my freezer, I tend to be this eternal optimist, and I'm just like, oh, we got plenty of food. No. So going through my freezer a few minutes ago made me more aware of the fact that we are running low on meat again. How does this happen? I guess it's because we eat meat every day almost. I need to start doing Meatless Monday again, I suppose. Anyway, I wanted to hop on here and talk to you guys just really fast about Vlogmas. So apparently a lot of YouTubers are doing that. Basically all it means is that you do a video every single day in December. And so I decided I'm going to try that. And my camera is about to go dead, so I'm going to have to say goodbye, but crazy. But anyway, I just wanted to hop on here. Hopefully we will be able to do a video every day. I don't know if it'll always be a vlog video, or some days it may just be like informational stuff, like if I'm cooking something, or I don't know. We will see how that goes, but I'm really excited about it today. And I have lots of ideas, and it's going to be really fun, and I hope you guys stick around. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Hello, and I hope you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when I have a new video come out. I'll probably have these come out in the mornings so that the people that get up as early as I do will be able to see those first thing. And anyway, it's going to be really fun. So if you do Vlogmas on your channel, if you have a channel, feel free to put a plug in the comment section below. Let us know that you're doing that too. That will be really fun. If you don't have a channel, I encourage you to check out the comment section below so that you can see if anybody else that comments or that you know is doing this as well. So it's going to be fun. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for stopping by, guys. Bye. Alright, so my camera did end up dying, so I did not get the corn on the grill, but I ended up doing about 8 or 9 ears out of the freezer. So that was exciting. Got me a lot more space. I just threw those on the grill and then took them all off. I'm not sure what I'll do with the rest of it, but we're eating on that tonight. The greens and the peas are leftovers. I baked some potatoes in the oven. This is the chicken thighs. I did 2 big packs. We'll be deboning the rest of it, and I'll do something with that in the future. I'm not sure what. And lima beans from the freezer. So tonight, the objective was just to take as much out of the freezer as I could. Of course, we added some sides that were leftovers. This is actually my dad's plate. I have a few more things to wrap up on the computer before I can stop and eat dinner. And I want to get this video out because you guys are going to see it tomorrow. My videos are going to be a day behind, so you guys make sure you come back. We are vlogging all of December.